Hi guys, this is Will again from our next car in Downey. I'm bringing you one more time a lightly damaged inventory. This is a 2020 Jaguar F Pace Premium. It's pretty much fully loaded. It's got the glass roof. It's got parking sensors, xenon lights, 4-cylinder turbocharged, automatic with blind spot, lane departure assist, pre-crash sensor. This vehicle is an all-wheel model. So as you can see, they took the muffler off. Muffler's inside, by the way. They just took it off for whatever reason. You can see the damage is very minor. It's on the right-hand side quarter panel. They did take the bumper off for further inspection. There's nothing wrong underneath. This is pretty much the damage right here. It's a little bit of damage right here. And obviously the flat tire and stuff. Everything else is pretty much in good shape. It's got good airbags. It's got 20,000 miles on it. And it is a 2020. Let me show you guys. It does start. It's 23,000 miles. Started right up. Battery's still good. It's got navigation, panoramic sunroof. It's pretty much fully loaded. There's no warning lights on, aside from the fact it's got low battery. It is a run and drive. It's got the Meridian sound system. It's push start, keyless. Does drive just fine. Here we go. Here's us driving it. I'm going to drive it on the street because it's missing plates and one tail light. But it does hit reverse. Camera works. Everything works pretty good. It's all-wheel drive, guys. Very lightly damaged. No frame damage. No airbags deployed. Honestly, this car should not be here, but it is. Why it's here, I don't know. But I'll show you the parts that are here. So they did take all this stuff apart, but as you can see, there's nothing wrong here. Here's the exhaust, and all these parts are plastic stuff that cover the side. So you can see there's no damage here internally. All this is factory. That's the way it comes from factory. There's no wiring issues or anything like that. All this is perfectly fine. All this is fine. The only damage is right here, and that's pretty much it, and a scrape on the bumper. Everything else is in good shape. They did steal the sensors. I don't know if that was at the body shop or at the auction yard, but that's pretty much the only thing that's missing. All the plastic stuff is in good shape. It's all right here, and the exhaust is there too. It's just pieces from, you know, the side where the seatbelt goes and stuff. But as you can see, guys, this is a really easy fix. So it's going to be a really great car for someone. All-wheel drive 2.0 turbo Jaguar F Pace with navigation and all the kinks. No frame damage, no damage to the motor, no electrical damage, no flood, no nothing to be scared of, guys. I mean, this is going to be a great vehicle for someone to have. And this is a run and drive. You can see right here, run and drive, keys, 23,000 miles, 2020, State Farm insurance. No idea why this car's a total loss. It's not even 1/10 of the damage of what it's worth. But, you know, insurance companies do that stuff sometimes. But this is why we bring you the actual living proof, so you can understand how that works and how you can save tons of money. It's no different than buying a house that's been that needs rehab. You know, the only difference is there's no such thing as a salvage title house. In the car business, there is. So this actually gives you the benefit of getting the car cheaper once it's fixed. Once you get a rehab house that's already rehabbed, you're still going to pay normal price. In this case, it's always going to have a discount. So anyone who's not scared of these vehicles, hit me up. It's going to be a great car for someone, and you're going to get it at the price of a Honda Civic. Would you rather be driving this or a Honda Civic? Your choice.